Good evening, my male friends. What is up with you guys? How are you all doing today? I am here to talk to you and share with you every single piece of info about the FlowForce Max, which is a male supplement that is recommended for guys to start using, as soon as they reach that much older age. We're talking about maybe 30, 40, 50s. It's actually when you start to realize that you have prostate problems and you need to deal with them, right? You need to support them. You need to help them out. So FlowForce Max is actually a really interesting formula. It's a formula that delivers what it promises, finally, and it's a formula that is actually only using Mother Nature's ingredients here. So we're talking about awesome, extraordinary ingredients, which I will be mentioning which ones are later on throughout this video. So if you want to get to know more about the FlowForce Max before you begin using it, which is actually the best thing, just make sure you're staying in this video before you go anywhere else, okay? Now, a lot of guys are using FlowForce Max, but let me just tell you that if you do want to start using it, you have to be getting it directly from their official webpage, which is like the best place on the internet you have to be going to get it. Because on the official webpage, you can purchase it, you can get to know more about it, you can check out people's feedbacks, and you're going to be getting your hands on some really great prices. And in the future, if you need a refund, the official webpage is actually the only place that can help you out. So I will be leaving for you the link just below this video in the description box. If you want to check it out, go directly there afterwards, okay? But guys, FlowForce Max, it does use a lot of pretty amazing natural ingredients like tricalcium phosphorate, sucralose, perilla leaf extract, silk protein powder. It has peppermint, magnesium. So these are all ingredients and more, of course, that can help any men deal with prostate-related problems. But that is not the only thing that the FlowForce Max will help you out with. It's actually going to help you out with your energy, with your vitality, and also your stamina and libido levels. So yes, it is normal that once you do age, your libido and your stamina, those levels tend to fall. And if you have prostate related issues, this is also a really big problem to helping those levels fall. So by taking the FlowForce Max, you are actually going to be helping yourselves out by supporting your prostate issues and increasing these other levels, your libido and your stamina. So that gives you a really great sex drive as well, right? But FlowForce Max, it is actually a magnificent supplement that doesn't contain GMOs and gives you no side effects. That's why it's really, really safe for using. Because on the other hand, this is something that is FDA approved, all right? It was created in a GMP certified facility, so it is something that you don't have to worry about taking because a lot of men already are taking it. A lot of men are experiencing awesome results with it. And if you look at on the other side, I mean, if it does not work out for you, you do have a 60-day money-back guarantee where you can just go back to the official webpage, talk to their customer support, and they're going to help you with a refund. So look at it on the bright side. You really have nothing to lose, right? Take your treatment seriously. Remember to use it every day. Do a 3 or 6 months treatment, which is the recommended one. And just be patient, guys, okay? You're going to be helping your prostate, your libido levels, your stamina, your vitality, your disposition, your energy, and so forth. So visit this link right here to get to know more about the FlowForce Max. For now, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys take care and have a great day. Bye.